Hi, I'm Janine Cody, and this is the fourth short video in a series of 10 frequently asked questions that I get about chromosome 18 abnormalities. So in the first three videos, we learned that chromosome abnormalities or chromosome variation now can be detected on the genomic level to be very, very, very small as 50 base pairs of DNA. And when you include changes in gene or chromosome copy number that small, we all have them. All of us have more than one probably. And so that seems sort of meaningless when you try to answer the question, how common are the chromosome 18 abnormalities? So maybe we try to answer this question differently. Instead of asking how common the chromosome abnormalities are as defined by a missing or duplicated piece of one copy of one of the two copies of each chromosome, if we ask the question from the other angle and talk about and ask about children with developmental delay, failure to thrive, or multiple congenital anomalies. If we look at that group of children, then how common are chromosome 18 abnormalities? And the best data we have to date comes from a study done in Europe, data gathered between 2000 and 2006, and includes 11 European countries. And they included in this study 2.4 million babies, so it's quite a lot, and they all had developmental delay or health issues, and they were diagnosed at under 1 year of age. So they were referred to genetics clinic because their delays or issues were significant enough that they were referred to genetics clinic and then had a cytogenetic analysis. So this is not the molecular analysis that I showed you in the last slide. This is not very high resolution probably because it varies from lab to lab and country to country, but the whole genome molecular analysis was not implemented clinically in these years. So this is going to miss those people with maybe a single gene deletion or duplication. But this is the best data we have. This is the most recent population study. And the authors in this paper did not specifically talk about chromosome 18 abnormalities, but the lead author was kind enough to go back and look at her data and answer the question for us. And in that, we learned that the frequency of 18q deletions are about one baby out of every about 54,000. Deletions of 18p are 1 in about 56,000. Ring 18 is much more rare, being 1 in about 300,000. And tetrasomy 18p, the most rare, is 1 in about 1 in 625,000 births. Altogether, the non-trisomy 18, chromosome 18 abnormalities in this study occurred in about 1 in every 24,000 births. So these aren't rare conditions, these are ultra-rare conditions. So I hope that helps answer the question, but just keep in mind that the way this study population was ascertained, we found that many of the children enrolled in our research study were not diagnosed under 1 year of age, and so that changes the number, and also the non-molecular based assessment of these individuals. So I can't really give you an exact number, but this is the best data we have, so these are the numbers that we use for now. Maybe one day another population study will come out which will have more accurate numbers for us.